In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working on a personal project or an important business document, having the right font can make all the difference in your document's presentation and readability. So let's jump right in and make sure you can customize your Adobe Acrobat experience with the fonts you love. First up, you'll want to get the font file from a trusted source. This is key because using reliable sources ensures that you're getting a clean, quality font file free from any unwanted add-ons or issues. A good place to start could be the official website that offers the font as a free or paid download, or a reputable font library. Once you've got that secured, keep the font file handy on your desktop or a folder that's easy to locate. Now, to install this font on your system, find the font file you just downloaded, right-click on it, and select Install. This process is straightforward on most operating systems and generally doesn't take long. The system will process this installation automatically, integrating the font into your system's library. While it might seem like a simple step, make sure the installation is complete before moving on. If the font isn't fully installed, it won't be available in Adobe Acrobat. Once you're done installing, it's time to restart Adobe Acrobat to acknowledge the change. Restarting the application ensures that Acrobat reloads its font catalog, recognizing any new additions that have been introduced to the system. It's just like refreshing a browser to make sure you're seeing all the latest updates. It's a necessary step to allow Acrobat to update the list of available fonts. When Acrobat has restarted, go ahead and open it up. Navigate to the upper menu and select Tools. From here, look for and select the Edit PDF option. This feature allows you to make modifications to existing documents. Once this tool is active, select Add Text or Edit Text, which opens up the text editing function. This is where the magic happens. With the text tool activated, look for the font drop-down menu. Your newly installed font should now appear in this menu, ready to use. This drop-down menu lists all active fonts on your system, so simply scroll through or type the name of the font to find it quickly. Choose the font, and you're all set to style your pay document however you like. And there you have it. Adding a new font to Adobe Acrobat is as simple as a few clicks. This ability allows you to customize your documents in a way that suits your needs best. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this guide. Until next time, happy editing!